ahead. So St. Lucia took a direct hit over Dorian, Tropical Storm Dorian. And in the last 3 runs of the updates from the Hurricane Center, it has remained Tropical Storm Dorian, not strengthening to hurricane conditions in its lifespan of the next near future anyway. So there's where we have the storm. The next land that we're talking about is Puerto Rico, also the Dominican Republic. So let's dive into this a little bit. The health of the system definitely weakened over just moving over St. Lucia. St. Lucia has some mountains and it tore it up a little bit. So it's fighting some dry air. It's not the strongest system. It's not the biggest system. But when it gets near to Puerto Rico, Wednesday into Thursday, it could drop about 4 to 8 inches of rain and have a 65 to 70 mile per hour wind with it. It's so close to the island that it doesn't really matter. Remember, 75 miles per hour, 76 miles per hour would put you in hurricane status. If you're in that 70 category, then you're talking tropical storm. So it's not a huge difference in the impact that people will feel as it moves by. So it's still going to be trouble for Puerto Rico. It looks like it may even get through the Mona Strait there and may not even touch, and that's the area, the little channel of water that's between Hispaniola, where Haiti and the Dominican Republic are, and the island of Puerto Rico. So if it passes right through there and doesn't interact, then it stays fairly intact. Earlier today, we were thinking it would kind of make it on the eastern end of the Dominican Republic. Either way, it's a lot of rain and wind for those places there. These are the subtleties we'll be watching to see how strong the system is when it pops out on the other side and moves toward the Bahamas. Bahamas, Saturday, Florida coastline, probably Saturday into Sunday. How strong is this storm? What I really want is everybody paying attention to it. Right now, it's just tropical storm strength according to the forecast, but all of that can change. This is the very end of the pattern here, and that's the kind of thing you just don't want anyone to relax on. So I would be preparing for a hurricane in all areas. If we get a tropical storm, that's a great thing, but we're still talking about 4 to 8 inches of rain for Puerto Rico, and remember, up to 70 mile per hour winds.